Good evening, children. We are going to see today exercise 8.5 word problems. Okay, word problems. First question. Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for Max book and rupees 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. Okay, Rashid spent 35 rupees point 75 for Max book and 32 rupees 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount. See, the word indicates total. Total means you need to do a addition. Okay, total amount spent by Rashid. How much totally he might have given to the shopkeeper to get the books? That is the question for you. So, first solution given, write the cost of Max book. Cost of Max book equal to rupees 35.75. Next, cost of science book rupees 32.60. So, how much rupee total amount? Total amount. What is the total amount spent by Rashid? So, total amount means you need to add the numbers. you need to add the numbers. So 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 6, what to come? 13. Point. Keep a point. 1 is carry over. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 3 plus 3, 6. Rupees 68.35. Rupees 68.35. So, the total amount spent by Rashid is rupees 68.35. Okay. So, you need to write total amount spent. Question it has given, see. Total amount spent by Rashid. Spent by Rashid. Rupees 68.35. Rupees 68.35. So, this is your first question. Next, second question. Radhika's mother gave her rupees 10.50 and her father gave her rupees 15.80. Find the total amount given to Radhika by the parents. Okay, Radhika's mother gave her. Mother, how much rupees she gave? Rupees 10, rupee 50, 50. 10 rupee 50. And her father gave her rupees 15.80. Okay, find the total amount. Same. Total amount. Total amount means you need to do a addition. Okay, so Radhika's mother. See, solution given, how to write? Amount given by Radhika's mother. Amount given by Radhika's mother, how much? 10 rupee. See, rupees 10.50. 10 rupee 50 paise. So, rupees 10.50. Amount given by Radhika's mother. Next, amount given by Radhika's father. Rupees 15.80. rupees 15.80. Next, total amount given to Radhika by the parents. So, how much total amount she might have got from the parents? Children, you too might have got with your parents. Father will give you one money, mother will give you one money. So, totally how much money you will keep with you? Like that question only it is. Now, father is giving 100 to you, mother is giving 50 rupees to you. So, totally you have how much money with you? 150 rupees. Okay, like that money they gave in the decimal point. 10 rupee 50 paise mother is giving, 15 rupee 80 paise father is giving. So, total amount Radhika is keeping that rupees 0, 8 plus 5, 13. 1 is carry over, 5 plus 1 6, 1 plus 1 2. So 26 rupee 30 paise. Point after rupees if it is coming means you should read 26 rupee 30 paise. Okay, so she is having 26.30. Okay, total amount Radhika she is getting from the parents rupees 26.30. Okay, next. The question third question. Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt. Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trouser. Find the total length of cloth bought by her. Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt. For her shirt she bought 3 meter 20 centimeter. Okay. Next, she is brought and then she brought the trouser measurement 2 meter and 5 centimeter. See, Nasreen she bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt. For her shirt purpose she bought this much 3 meter 20 centimeter. She bought for a trouser purpose 2 meter 5 centimeter. Front you should put 0 children. 2 meter 5 centimeter. Now see here, find the total length. The word indicates total. Same. So total length of cloth. Total length. Total length is how much? Total means you should do your addition. Centimeter 5, 2, meter 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 meter 25 centimeter. 5 meter 25 centimeter. This is your answer. Okay. This is the exercise 8.5. 3 sums I gave you, addition sums. Next, exercise 8.6. Same, exercise 8.6, word problems. Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? Now, for example, Raju plays, you imagine yourself. Okay, you are going to the shopkeeper and you are going to get a book. The book amount is 35 rupees 65 paise. And you are giving the money to the shopkeeper is 50 rupee. 50 rupee if you are giving the shopkeeper, if you are giving the money to the shopkeeper means, okay, the book amount than your given amount, the book amount is less. So, whether the shopkeeper will give the change to you? Yes, obviously will give the change. So, you need to do what here? Subtraction. Okay, see, 50 rupees you are giving, than book amount you are giving more amount to the shopkeeper. So, you need to do a subtraction. See, money given to the shopkeeper. Money given to the shopkeeper is rupees 50. 50 rupees you are giving. Now price of the book. Price of the book you see 35 rupee point 65. 65. So 65 rupee this only. So than your money, the book money is less. So money left with Raju. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? So how much money Raju will get? Raju will get how much money? So you need to do a subtraction. See here, completely 50 is a whole number. Keep a point and add 20. Now do the subtraction. Subtract the number. Okay. See, 0 minus 5 not possible. So you need to borrow from 5. 5 is giving here 10. So 10 is giving here 1. It become 10. This it will be become 9. 10 is giving 1 here. This it will become 10. This it will become 9. So this is 10. So now 10 minus 5. 5. 9 minus 6. 3.9 minus 5. 4. Now 5, from 5 1 you are given, so it will become here 4. So 4 minus 3 1. So how much rupee Raju will have? 14.35. 14.35. This much money Raju will have with him. Okay, this is easy normal subtraction, children. You can do easily. First try to read and understand the question. Rani had rupees 18.50. Rani she is having the amount rupees 18.50. She bought one ice cream for rupees 11 rupees 75 paise. 11 rupees 75 paise she is buying a ice cream. How much money does she have now? What is the remaining amount she will have? How much money does she have? So money with Rani. With Rani, how much money it is there? Rupees 18.50. Price of an ice cream. One ice cream amount. One ice cream amount how much? Rupees 11 rupee 75 paise. How much money does she have now? Same thing. You are going to one shop. You are buying a 20 rupee ice cream. 20 rupee ice cream you are buying and you are giving to the shopkeeper 30 rupee. 30 rupee you are giving to the shopkeeper and you are buying a 20 rupee ice cream. So what is the balance with you? It will be there. So 10 rupee. Yes, very good. 10 rupee you have the balance. Okay, so 30 minus 20, 10. Like that only, children. She has 18 rupee 50 paise and she is giving to the shopkeeper 11.75. 11 rupee 75 paise. So she will have the remaining amount. Do the subtraction. So 0 minus 5 not possible. One number you are borrowing from the next. So it will become 10. It is become 4. So 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 7 not possible. So you should borrow from 8. So it will become 7. This it will become 14. 14 minus 7, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. So rupees 6 rupee 75 paise. Money left with Rani is 6 rupee 75 paise. Okay, children, write neatly this one by one in your class work note. Write the question in black pen, answer in blue. One sum completed means draw a line. Okay, practice well and come. Monday you have a test. Okay, Monday you have a test in addition subtraction. Okay, so prepare well and come, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.